Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you add your shop on your Lumosity app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on more down here, and just click here on more. It's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do now, just click here on account settings. Then it's going to take us to this list here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on edit profile. When you just click on it here, then it's going to take you to this list. So just return to open video here. So then you go down, you keep going down here, click on this photo here. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to next step here. Then you go down, you come here to shop, then click in this sign here. So in here you add your shop here. So when you just add it here, then it's going to add video on your Lumosity app. That's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.